Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create unlimited AI videos for free using Google AI tools. It's no complex editing, just simple steps you can follow right now. But first, make sure you have a free trial subscriptions to Google AI. And if you haven't signed up yet, just click the link in the description. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Flow. And then just click on the link. Then create with Flow. This one. And then click New Project. And here you just need to type your prompt. Earlier, I created my prompt using ChatGPT, like this. I'm creating a fantasy story, but you can adjust it to any story that you like. I divided it into 3 scenes to keep it structured. And using AI tool like this really helps you create better organized prompts. Now I will copy the prompts into Google Flow. I will copy first scene. Like this. And before you hit generate, don't forget to adjust the number of the result. I will choose one and then choose your AI model. And then just hit generate. Okay, let's play the video.
The stars left you behind just for me. The stars.
Okay, looks good. Now let's try generating the next scene. To continue automatically, just click on add to scene. And next, just click on this plus icon. And here you can choose either jump to another scene or expand the current one. And in this time, I will choose jump to another scene with the next prompt. Like this. And then just generate. Okay, let's play the video.
The stars left you behind just for me.
Oh.
Stop.
Oh, okay. I think it didn't generate exactly I expected. I was hoping for a different scene, but it still looks pretty good. And the transition is still smooth. And okay, maybe that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!